Hey, how's it going? This is Matthew Ashton for MDF3. This is the week one walkthrough video. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have it start loading into the emulator here, so that way you can see it start from the beginning. Now, this week was a little difficult for me. I have just about everything working for the most part. The only thing I can't get to work properly is the pause button. And when this goes ahead and loads in a second, I'll show you what some of the issues I'm having. As you can see, I just have the music player and then the service going. I decided not to use any fragments or anything. Now, obviously on the start, it basically will, let's see, have the music playing here. And I do have five or six songs here that are loaded into it. And what I have here is the notification from the top. You see with the current song title. And if you do next song, the song title has changed. As you can see, the song is too. And obviously the notification has changed as well. And then here's the ultimate thing, showing that it's a service. Go ahead and click out of it. Music is still playing. And you still have the current song. Now you can go ahead and click back in the notification, have it bring up the music player. The only thing I couldn't figure out is how to get it to resume rather than starting the song over again. I think you can do another song here and have it play like that. You can even stop it and then play. Now again, pause is the only thing that I was having a problem with. Pause, I can get it to stop, but I can't get it to play again after that. I've been trying for a while to get that to work out, just couldn't figure it out. In my service here, I actually have it. I know that it comes back. I set up a flag, so I know that it starts after pause, and even you can see here, it starts after pause. Just can't figure out how to actually go ahead and get that working properly. Here is the service, and again, everything is pretty identical to the actual music player. Using the retriever to get the actual file or song information. The way that everything is set up is, there's my notification, obviously with the current song and the song title. The music player, the way I have it is allows you to get the resource, get the package name, getting it directly each individual song, and adds it, and it's going to start off with the first song, and then as you do next song and everything, as we do, here's the next button. It's going to go ahead and it's going to add one to the index and then get the next song in the index based on just adding one to it, and then restart the service with that new song that gets sent into it. And that is what I did for the service, is go ahead and put on start, so it gets the extras, and that being the current song. And then also the all songs, just to be able to kind of keep things consistent. So I'm going through the rubric here. Media player loads, which it does, with several audio files in sequence. Again, I have about 6 there. And then I do utilize a service for audio playback. The only thing, again, can't do is the pausing. And then I also have, again, notification that does show the current audio track while the audio is playing, and upon click, it does open the application again if it's not already opened. And then, of course, while open, it does display, as you can see here, the song title and the artist, as well as the controls for playing, pausing, and stopping audio. So that's my effort this week. It's not perfect. It's definitely not the best work that I've done so far in this degree program. A couple of things I just couldn't figure out there and kind of ran out of time. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to fix these and yeah, be ready for week 2. So that's it. So this is Matthew Ashton for MDF3. It was the first project with the music player. Thanks. See you guys next week.